All right, so what do the new conforming loan amounts mean to first-time home buyers in the Bay Area, in California, and across the nation? So these are for conventional financing guidelines, but basically I did want to let you know, there are options out there for less than 5% down. I'm just going to go with 5% down options. They're more common, a little more easy to get accepted when you're out there writing offers. I think it's a good place to start if you have a low down payment. But if you're going lower than that, I'm happy to help you out. There's FHA and there's lower down payments on conventional too. But again, we can go into the details. But as far as a cost perspective and a payment perspective, conventional is going to be your better way to go. So if you have a loan amount now of $647,200 and you're putting 5% down on a property, this is nationwide. You can do this now. You can write an offer for a property priced at $681,600 and put 5% down to get you a loan amount of $647,200, and that's conventional financing. Now, in high-cost areas, we have the high balance loans. This is kind of my forte, what I've been doing for 11 years since they came out, or even longer than that. It might have been 12 now. But now the new loan amount's $970,800. So that means you can put 5% down using conventional financing on a house with the purchase price of, are you ready? $1,021,894. That's right, $1,021,894. You can put 5% down on that house with conventional financing in high-cost areas like the Bay Area right now. Just incredible. Now, to get quotes on some of these, you really need to apply at freshhomeloan.com. You can fill out our form there on purchase or refinance, and we can get you your information. Rates, of course, change daily, so it'd be silly to quote something on a video, as well as property taxes differ from county to county to state as well. So things can differ, but the good news is you can take advantage of some incredible programs with a low down payment in this appreciating market. So there is definitely more opportunity for low down payments for the first time home buyer than ever before. And these actually are for anybody. You can own a home and still put 5% down, just so you know. So a lot of opportunity out there. Now, why you might want to choose someone such as myself, or myself specifically, is I've been doing this 20 years. Last week, I got an offer accepted just because the listing agent liked how I ran my business. I told them exactly what they needed to know, and I got the offer accepted basically for my client, and that was on Monday, and I got a closing disclosure out on Friday. So that's how I roll. So if you want to roll with me, you want to get your offer accepted, and you want to take advantage of these great rates, you want to go with a wholesale broker such as Garrick Wordmuller, President, CEO of Fresh Home Loan Inc. I am here to help you. Have a great day.
Yeah, Fresh Home Loan Inc. You want mortgage rates without breaking your bank? Well, I got what you need. I'll keep it 100. The very best lender. We sell money, yeah. There's really no equal. Independent mortgage brokers that work for the people. I know that the pandemic's brought many problems. What we offer is better rates.